so fun. Almost like, I can't believe I'm old enough for this one.
Hey, you recording?
Yeah.
Get me on the camera. Hey, what's up?
Blue and orange water slide. I bet it's gonna be fun. I just got on the first time. Mama was holding on the camera, but one person can go at a time. I was actually going down first. You couldn't see me, you can only see my mom. My mom was so crazy looking. I was like, TV. I say that every time. You wanna walk through here? Up, yeah, up, dance, going up, dance. Kinda get me?
I'm sorry.
We have to catch the wind. Oh! My first time seeing them go on that slide. Here I go, I'm at the top. Cheers for Randy, look through the hole, you're good to go. Stop flashing. Stop flashing. Stop flashing. Stop flashing. Whoa. Okay, I'm catching up. Did you get going fast? Really fun. I think going the red one. You can go on the white. You can go on the red one. You can't. I'm not that good enough. You can only. I'm 5 too. 5-year-olds can go on the walking, don't see the clouds. Don't watch the clouds. Watch me! Highest height in the world. Look, there's Amazon. Amazon truck. Oh, the car's Amazon. Looks like the Amazon truck is going so slow. Wait, there's everybody down there. And I'm the one who's up here. I'm the king of the world. Where you go on the water slide. It's so fast. Ready? Set. Go. I'm in the dark again. I'm tricking you. Catch life quickly. So when you want to make a YouTube channel, you don't want anyone to see you walking. You only want when something's going on, you can like do what you wanted. I'm gonna go. I feel like I'm 100 feet up in the air. Looks like I'm 100 feet up in the air. But don't you think I'm 100 feet up in the air? Don't you? Look, you can see the whole water park from down here. And right over there, that's the street that we drove on and it took a long time to get here. And right now, do you want to go down the slide? Yeah, you do? Let's go. Woo! I'm gonna have my own YouTube channel in 10 minutes. That was crazy. Catch the wave, catch the wave, catch the wave.
Travel. Catch us on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe.
Remember I said that the YouTube channel? We're making a YouTube channel. I got a cool RC that's brand new and it's called Tiger Shark. I always been wanting it, and like my Megalodon RC got crushed by a truck. My brother did that. My brother made it get crushed by a truck. He said, watch this, and it got crushed by the truck. That's really